ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bulavinaka, and a very good morning to you all. This morning, early morning, we were with the Australian Prime Minister at the APTC. We have just farewelled him. He has gone to airport. But the discussion that took place with him was in regards to the aged care. He has mentioned that there is a lot of demand for the aged care workers because Australia has an aging population. And it will be a win-win situation for both countries if we can supply that number of workers. But if that has to happen, then you need to undergo a proper training. So those who are listening, please, if you are interested in that area, you need to have the training. There's a special training for the aged care. And I must share this with all of you, that he was very impressed in the manner in which our Fijian workers are trained. And he has also mentioned that our people are very fast learners. So that's a plus point for us. The reason why I'm sharing this with all of you, because I know you are going, I'm told, for the meat industry and horticulture and hospital. But why I'm sharing this with all of you is if you can share this with your family members. That's the whole reason why I thought that I would share what we have discussed earlier on. But the reason for me to be here, in fact, I always make an effort to be here whenever there is a closure of the pre-departure training. Because from the government's point of view, we would like to say that you all are our ambassadors. And we want you to go there for the reason that you have been selected for. And that is to work hard, don't forget your loved ones back home, and keep the branding that we have built on so that the colleagues that have applied for these opportunities can also get an opportunity to come to Australia and work. So what I'm trying to say, or the message that I want to give to all of you is that while you are there, please be focused on what you are supposed to do. What you have learned through this pre-departure training, make use of it. If you have any grievances, if you have any issues, please, you have a team leader, you have an embassy, and you have our contacts for our staffs here. But don't take law into your own hands. That will not help you. Don't try to listen to others, because this is an opportunity for all of you. So don't lose this opportunity. If you are caught, there was one case, and then the first flight, he has to catch the first flight to come back home. But we also want you all to be looked after when you are there. So the arrangement that we have with the employers is that you are all to be looked after well. There is no two ways about it. And as I have mentioned, that if there is any grievances, any issues, if you think that things are not going right, please consult the relevant people. That's very important. The other thing that I want to share with all of you is that don't post unnecessary things on the Facebook. In previous weeks, we have seen few posts. Those are some of the things that are not going to help you. If, as I have mentioned, please, if you have any issues, and I hope that the coordinator has given his contact or the staff's contact to all of you, and if he hasn't, please, before you go, make sure you get the contact. because we want to be in contact with all of you who are going. So, once again, I want to congratulate all of you on your selection. You all are lucky to be selected because there are thousands of applications pending at this point in time with the National Employment Center. So the other reason for me to come here and talk to you is that you can open the doors for your colleagues down here if you are going to perform well. As of now, I should share this with all of you as well. As of now, we are good. We are in good books of the employers of Sri Lanka. That I can tell you. That's why every week we have employers here to talk to our people. The only reason that they come here because they have confidence now in our workers. Which workers? The workers that are already there. So you're going to join them, thousands of them. So you will have to do the same thing what they are doing right now. So I don't want to take much of your time. I want to wish you all the best and may God bless you all. Vinaka and thank you.